Struggling to find your Namecheap app orders? I will show you exactly where they hide and how to access every receipt in under 2 minutes. We will start from the Namecheap homepage, then click through Profile, Billing, and Apps Orders to reach the full list. Let us go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to the Namecheap homepage. Just go to namecheap.com in your browser. This is where we will start our little journey. It is the same page you used to buy those apps in the first place, so you are already in familiar territory. Next, you need to locate your profile. Look up at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a little icon or your name. Click on that. That drop-down menu is your command center for all your account settings, so this is the perfect place to start digging deeper. Now, from that profile drop-down, you want to look for and click on Billing. This is the section that handles everything related to payments and invoices. Think of it as the financial hub for your account. It is where Namecheap keeps track of all the money you have spent, which is exactly what we need to find your app receipts. Once you are in the billing area, you will see a menu on the left side of the screen. There are a few different options there. Go ahead and click on Apps Orders. This is the dedicated section just for purchases you have made from the Namecheap App Store. It filters out all your domain and hosting receipts so you can focus purely on the apps. At this point, you might only see a few recent orders. To see everything, you need to click on the button that says View All. It should be right there near the top of the list. This tells Namecheap, do not just show me a preview, show me the complete history. Now you are on a new page. You will see a few different tabs at the top. Click on the one that says Apps Orders again. I know it seems like we already did that, but this is actually the main filter tab for this full order list view. It ensures you are only looking at app purchases and not accidentally mixing in other types of orders. And here is your comprehensive list. This is the payoff. You can see every single app order you have ever placed, all lined up in one place. In my experience, this is the most reliable way to get a full picture of your purchase history. You can scroll through and see the dates, the app names, and the amounts paid. If you need to do something specific with an order, like download an invoice, just click on that individual order row. It will highlight it and give you more options. This is where you can download a PDF receipt or print it out for your records. Now, if you have a lot of orders and you are looking for something specific, let us use the filters. Click on the Filters button near the top of the list. This will open up a panel with different ways to narrow things down. It saves you from having to scroll through page after page of old purchases. Finally, you can click on Items within the filter panel. This lets you search for a specific app by name. So if you need a receipt for, say, a WordPress theme you bought 6 months ago, you can just type the name in here and it will instantly show you the right order. And that is it. You now know exactly how to find, view, and manage all your Namecheap app orders. No more hunting around the dashboard or wondering where your receipts went. Just a few clicks and you are done.